Hello, everybody. Welcome to math. Today we are doing lesson 6, session 4, page 133. So we're in our math books and we're rolling right along. We are working on counting on to subtract. And look, I have a book too. So hopefully you all have your new books this week. It says refine. That means we're just really tightening those skills like I've been talking about. We're refining it. We're making them nice and smooth. So hopefully this is starting to make a lot more sense as we continue on. So it says complete the example, then solve problems 1 through 4. Example, Allie has 7 markers. Some are blue. 5 are red. How many are blue? 7 minus 5 equals, I don't know. So they drew the 5 that they knew are red in a box. They put a box around those, and then they counted on 6, 7. So now they know that 2 are blue. 2 are blue. Okay. So instead of drawing all of these 5 red markers like we've been doing, I've been drawing them all and then counting on. What they did is they put them in a box and they lump them together. For example, on apply it, there are 8 cups. 5 are big. The rest are small. The rest means we're subtracting. We're going to take the 8. We're going to pull those 5 that are big, and then what's left over, the rest are small. How many are small? So I've drawn it up on my board back here so you can see, because it says I have 5 big cups, and then I'm going to count on because the total amount that I have is 8. So I went 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm counting on from 5. Again, I didn't draw out all 5 of my cups. I just did I put them all in a box. I'm like, here's my 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of like I'm sorting them. Maybe think I'm sorting them. The 5 big cups are here. The small cups are here. This is also like what we did before with the number paths or the number line. It's all on this line right here, right? I'm counting on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it would keep going. So try not to get confused. It's all still on that line for you. So I did 5, 6, 7, 8. You can draw in there. You can look and count how many are really fast, whatever works for you. 1, 2, 3. So now I know if I have 8 total, that means I have 5 plus 3. All they're doing is flipping this equation around. So instead of it saying 5 plus 3 equals 8, it's 8 equals 5 plus 3 more. 8, take away those 5 big cups, you have 3 left. So now I know I have 3 small cups. Good job. Next, number 2, we go back to the number line. So I'm going to get my fancy eraser and I'm going to erase and I'm going to draw my number line back up, or as the book calls it, a number path. Both are correct. They just are different words. It's like a synonym. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing, but are 2 totally different words, like kid and child. They both mean the same thing, but they sound different. Okay, here's my number line. And I'm doing 6 cars are in the lot. 6 cars are in the lot. 4, I'm gonna bring my book over here. It's too far away from me. Okay, 6 cars are in the lot. 4 are blue, the rest are white. How many cars are white? So again, we're gonna do 6 equals blank plus blank. And then 6 minus 4 equals blank. And then you have blank white cars, okay? So like I said in the last video, you're going to start with the smallest number when you're jumping on the number line. So the smallest number is 4. So I'm gonna find 4. And then I'm gonna stop at 6. I put a circle around it because it's very obvious. I need to stop at 6. So you can't just turn at 4 and then just keep going. You need to be able to stop at 6. So I have 4, 5, 6. Count your jumps, 1, 2. 6 equals, and this is the only number I know, is 4 plus 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. There are 2 white cars. Now remember, this is all about the strategy. So if you know 6 minus 4 is 2 and 4 plus 2 is 6, and you know that, that's awesome. What I want you to focus on, friends, is the strategy. Jumping on the number line, that is a really hard thing to do, and it will probably take you, I don't know, maybe until 3rd or 4th grade to really get that. And some maybe even longer, and that's okay. It's a hard skill. Again, when I'm moving this way on the number line, it means I'm adding. Okay, awesome job. Number 3, where's my eraser? Okay, here it is. Number 3 says 8 dogs are playing, 7 leave. You got this, good for you. Okay, so I have 8 dogs are playing, 7 leave. All right. 8 dogs are leaving. 8 dogs are leaving, or playing, 7 leave. So I'm going to start with the smallest number. I plugged my 7 in here because I know that's the only other number I know. So this shouldn't be, I have 8 and 7. So the fact that it's going to be 8 and 7 and some other number. So I'm going to be 8, 7, and 4. Or 8, 7, and 3. You're not going to add in random numbers. The numbers you're dealing with are 8 and 7, and then another number that we don't know yet. We're going to stop at 8, so circle that number. Circle that number. Then I'm going to jump to 8. I jumped, I'm putting a +1 because I'm going that way. I'm adding. It's getting bigger when I move that way. If I go this way, my numbers are getting smaller, and that would be subtracting on the number line. But I'm not going this way. I'm going this way. I'm adding. So now I know 1 jump, 7 plus 1 more gets me to 8. 8 minus 7, if I start out at 8 and I jump this way, right, that would mean I'm subtracting. 8 minus 7 is 1. You know what Miss Lamb just did? I just did 8 minus 1 equals 7. Is that not also true? That's not what this problem was asking you to do, but hopefully you can see if I jump back 7 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I land on 1. So that means there is 1 dog still playing. If you notice, dog is singular, so it kind of gives you a clue. It wasn't blank dogs, it was blank dog, which is, again, singular. Number 9, 9 friends play soccer. Okay. 9 friends play soccer. 4 friends leave. How many are still playing? So I have 9 friends, 4 leave. 9 equals, I'm going to put that 4 in because I know that's got to be part of my fact family. I'm not just making up numbers. This isn't 9 equals 6 plus 3. 9 equals, I'm dealing with 4. So I'm going to underline my smallest number, which is the 4. Oh, and then I have to do 9 minus 4 equals, I don't know. So I'm going to go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That time I counted my jumps until I got to 9, and it was 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could also put a dot in there if you wanted to. A check mark as you count it, number it. When you get to higher grades, they're going to want you to label the jumps, which means +1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. They want to know if you're going that way or if you're going that way. Okay, so now I know that 5 friends are still playing. Good job. Now we're going on to the green pages, which are practice. So I have my little monster here and it says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. Example, there are 6 apples. Some are small, 4 are big. How many are small? 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, big. And then you have 1, 2, for a total of 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 are small. So now we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing. There are 9 crayons. Some are pink. 6 are green. How many are pink? So here you have these blank crayons. Feel free to grab a pink crayon and a green crayon and color them in. And then you can figure that out. Same down here. You're going to do blue and yellow balloons, okay? I don't have those color dry erase markers, so I'm not going to do that, but you absolutely can. It's great learning. Okay, so I have 9 grams. 6 are pink. And the rest are green. Wait. Oh, 6 are green. Green, that's an R blend. And then how many are pink? So they did, they drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9, right? 1, 2, 3. Yep, there's 9 crayons there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count 6 and I'm gonna put a big circle around my 6. And in that way, I'm kind of grouping them together and everything that's outside of that is going to be my, my pink. So here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I go. And I'm gonna label it 6, okay? Now I know the outsiders are pink. 1, 2, 3. So 3 are pink. Pink. There we go. So now it says 9 equals 6 plus 3. Actually, they have 3 plus 6, but we've been working on fact families, so we know 9 minus 6 equals 3. If I have all of my 9 markers, I take out these 6, I only have those 3 pink ones left, right? So there are 3 pink crayons. That's what's going to go on that line. The next problem has balloons. It has 8 and 6 are blue. Oops, that was about to be a P. B-L-U. How many are yellow? All right, I'm gonna draw 8 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got to 6. I'm gonna label it. So I'm doing a little bit different. I could have gone all the way to 8, but I decided to stop there. 6, if you count on, 7, 8. So now I know 8 equals 6 plus 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Hopefully this is starting to really make some sense to you guys. We're just playing with these numbers, whether we're counting on or we're counting all of them, lumping some together that are blue, lumping the rest that are yellow, and really figuring out how to add and subtract numbers easily. So again, you may know 8 equals 6 plus 2. What I really want you to focus on is the strategy and just adding and subtracting and counting on and all that good stuff. Okay, I'm turning the page. I'm now on this page with a cute little deer. Look how cute. Oh, so cute. All right. Oh, we're back to the number line. There are 9 beads, 8 are purple. The rest are red. How many are red? So we have red and purple beads. There's 9 total. 8 are what color? Purple. and the rest are red. But we don't know how many there are. But we do know 9 equals 8 plus, I don't know. And then we have 9 minus 8 equals, I don't know. They have a number line. I'm going to draw just a little bit of that number line. This is really all that you need. So I have 7, 8, 9, and 10 and 11. So I'm going to start at 8. It's my smallest number. I'm going to count on, I'm adding, I don't know how many, but I know I need to stop at 9. So I start at 8, it's my smallest number. Smallest because I'm adding to it. If it's going to be the smallest number, or if it's, I know it's the smallest number because it has to be because I'm adding more to it. It can't be the biggest number. So I start with the smallest number, which is 8. I'm adding, I don't know how much until I get to 9. Okay, so I'm gonna jump 1 and I'm moving this way, which means I'm adding. So I did 1 jump. So now I know that 9 minus 8, if I went all the way back 8, I would land on 1. Here I did 9, if I go backwards, 9 minus 1, and I get 8. I get that other part of that fact family. Number 4, there are 6 birds, 3 are yellow, the rest are blue. Okay, let's figure this out. 6 birds, 3 are yellow. 6 birds, 3 are yellow. How many are blue? So this one, I'm going to start with the smallest number and I'm going to say, okay, I have 3 birds over here and they're yellow. I know all of these are yellow. How many over here are blue? I'm going to stop counting at my 6th bird because I know there's only 6 total. I'm stopping at 6. I'm starting at 3. All right. So I'm going to draw. You can use a model to figure out how many are blue. So I have 3. I'm going to count on 4, 5, 6. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my 4th bird. Here's my 5th bird. Here's my 6th bird. I have 6 birds total. 3 I chunked together. I didn't spread them all out on a number line. I said, boom, here's my 3. 4, 5, 6. I know this is 1, 2, 3. So 3 birds over here, 3 birds over here. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 equals 3 plus 3. This one is a doubles fact, so you're not going to have, I'm not going to flip it around. There's no flipping to do. But there are 3 blue birds. Number 5, we made it to number 5. Says, okay. There are 7 apples. 7 apples. A deer eats 5. 5 get eaten. I did not remember a figure space there. How many apples are left? Okay, I'm going to take, there's a number of ways you can do this. One of the first ways I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my smallest number and I'm going to say, here's the 5 that get eaten. Eat N. 5 are eaten. I'm going to stop at 7. Now I'm going to count on until I get to 7. That's where we're going to stop. So I drew it over there so I know where am I stopping. 5, count on 6, 7. So now I have 2 apples that are left over. This is counting on to subtract. Okay, so now I know that 2 apples are left. All right, good job. I'm so proud of you. If you need to watch this over and over and over again, please do, because I understand it is confusing. So good luck. I'm super proud of you guys.